find the leak yet?
Yes, I did, and it was actually rotting our floor.
Oh.
So the subfloor is rotten there and wet. So
Oh, it's a good thing that happened then.
I'm just surprised it passed the pressure test that we had done. So I guess I don't know. But I made it worse because I hit it with the chisel. So I'm just going to cut out that section and put it into shark bites, and then that's should be it.
All fixed.
So, but yeah, they you can see it right there. They drove a the hole is perfectly right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to. I'll probably take it to about here, so I can get the shark bite on that side and this side, right here. And then I'll just put a piece of hot water PEX, just put a piece of hot water PEX in there. Ugh. No.
All right. It's a fun day here. Thanks
Yes.
for watching.
It's always fun here.
Bye.